Hi, my name is Jeremy.
I'm Maddie.
We taught level 2 this week at Uptown Swing.
Uptown Swing, level 2.
That's right, Swing Out month.
Swing Out month.
That's right, yeah.
That's right. We did so many swing outs. Today we talked swivels. It was swivel o'clock. We had everybody learn swivels, but mostly it's for followers to do on the 1 and 2 of the swing out. We talked about how it is just fancy walking, making sure that we're stepping every single time. And just practice doing this at home, followers. If you want to hold on to a doorknob or a railing or something like that, we want to twist from the waist down, toes out, and they twist in when we take that next step. We also talked about doing that little prep at the end of the swing out where we have triple prep, swivel, swivel. Everyone did a great job. Then we went right into
Swivel circles?
swivel circle.
All right, yeah, it looked like this. We started out with a normal swing out. And then leaders just kept it chill, went around in a circle, but followers took steps.
Swivel steps.
That's right, swivel steps.
Yes. We also did a little variation for followers. That was on the then 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. That was just something that you could throw into swivel circles if you were feeling spicy. That was what we did.
That's what we did.
Goodbye.
See you next week. Bye.